So let's talk a little bit to begin about what's actually there in your inbox right now. So most of us are holding on to all kinds of stuff, especially if that number of emails in the inbox is big. We've got short-term tasks in there, long-term tasks. We have reference material waiting for us to have a look at it. And frankly, lots of us are even holding on to things that we should probably just delete. But I'm going to let you know right now, I need you to change the way you think about your email inbox, in that that inbox should just be used by you to communicate information with others. And the only list that should be living in that inbox is a very short-term list of to-dos, short-term tasks. So everything else needs to get out. And that's part of the way we make our way to reaching the goal of becoming an email warrior. Email warriors end every day with 10 emails or less in their inbox. I know, it sounds unbelievable, but it's possible. We've done it time and time again with people, regardless of their overall daily email volume or how much email they start off with in their email inbox. So that magical space, that white space that you see at the bottom of the slide is amazing, and it can feel really great to see that regularly. But how do we get there? So the first thing most of us have to do is have a look at what's in our inbox and get it out. So let me share with you a really quick 3-step method to clearing out everything that's in your email inbox. So first thing we need to do is have a look at your foldering system. And nowadays, I find 2 situations most commonly. People leverage folders, so they've got quite a lot of folders, and they've got a nice system set up to track completed work. Or I have a small but growing group of individuals who will have just one folder that if you're on Gmail, it's your archive folder, or it might be a folder that you just called completed work or done. I like things simple, so sometimes I like the smallest and shortest name we can give a folder as possible. But we have to look at those folders if we've got them and streamline them so they're nice and clean. Then we pick a date about 6 weeks ago and we move all of that email into its own folder. Just get it out, it's historical backlog. And then we start at the bottom. So that email that's about 6 weeks old and waiting for you to address, we're going to start down there and work our way up to the top of the list so as much as possible we can achieve that email warrior status, because that's where the fun really begins.